Hello! In this video, we're going to explain Medicaid spend down, which applies to some people who receive Community Assistance Medicaid benefits. When we applied for Medicaid to pay for the nursing home, we also applied for Community Assistance Medicaid. Community Assistance Medicaid is a program that helps pay for medical care and prescriptions for individuals living at home. However, some people who qualify medically may have income that is slightly higher than Medicaid's income limit. When that happens, Medicaid may require something called a spend down. A spend down works a lot like a health insurance deductible. Each month, Medicaid determines a certain dollar amount that the client must be responsible for before Medicaid will begin paying for medical expenses. This amount is called the spend down amount. For example, if someone has a $300 monthly spend down, that means the first $300 of medical expenses in that month must be paid by the client or applied toward the spend down before Medicaid coverage begins. Once that spend down amount is met, Medicaid will pay for covered medical services for the rest of that month. One way you can meet the spend down amount is by submitting medical bills, including the paid bill at the nursing home. Other medical expenses such as doctor visits, prescriptions, therapy, or other medical services can also be submitted to Medicaid. Once the total of those bills reaches the spend down amount for that month, Medicaid coverage begins. It's important to understand that spend down resets every month. That means the requirement starts over at the beginning of the next month. The business office at the nursing home may be willing to submit the paid invoice to Medicaid to meet the monthly spend down amount. Medicaid rules can be confusing, and you are not expected to navigate them on your own. Our goal is to make sure you understand how the system works so that you can maximize the benefits available to you and your family. If you have questions about spend down or your Medicaid benefits, please contact our office and we will be glad to assist you.